Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Hina, Akhter, your computer teacher. Our today's topic is application software. An application software is designed to help users do some type of work. It can be classified into two categories. These are packages and utilities. Packages. A package is a computer application consisting of one or more programs created to do a particular type of work. Packages include the following: word processors such as WordPad and Word 2013. Graphics and presentation software such as PowerPoint 2013. Database management system such as Access 2013, MySQL and Oracle. Accounting packages such as Tally. Spreadsheets such as Excel 2013. Utilities. A utility is a program designed to do maintenance work on the system or on system components. Utilities include the following: backup software such as Amanda and Box Backup. Antivirus software such as MCAFE, Quick Heal or Norton. Disk defragmenters. Disk compression utilities. Our another topic is computer languages. A computer language is also called a programming language, is used to write and develop software programs for the computer. Computer languages can be classified into two broad categories: low-level languages and high-level computer languages. Low-level languages are of two types: machine language and assembly language. Machine language is the language that the computer understands and can execute directly without translation. An assembly language was the first computer language to use words with letters of the English alphabet. Assembly language is also machine dependent. High-level languages. High-level language use English and mathematical symbols, and they make computer programming simpler. Programs in high-level language is called a source program. It cannot run directly on the computer. It must be compiled or interpreted first.